there's someone here who instigated or basically riled someone up to start some type of war or some type of serious conflict, essentially, where they feel like they were duped, that someone forced their way, someone manipulated, this fight that they had with someone wasn't fair. And it could have been a lover, a secret lover situationship, or they found out about a secret lover and it has this person feeling extremely robbed, just feeling really bad, feeling like they were stuck with the short end of the stick. It has this person in their head, they're stressed, over analyzing everything, and they feel like they're blocked. So this energy is just on a warpath. They're going to find, or they're trying to find a way to block, or as you see here, to put a barrier in the way of this boss daddy's intimate life, personal life. They're and the thing is, this boss daddy is actually threatened. They're intimidated by this person. This also could be a boss mommy. Take it as it resonates. This is gender fluid, but this flew out, so bad reputation. I want to know what's bad reputation. Oh, yeah, jackpot. So they gave to this person, and now they're trying to block them from going towards. Okay, so this is very specific with gender, but again, take it as it resonates. Whoever this past, uh, okay, so before I dropped all of my cards, I was gonna say that whoever boss daddy is, they did they put someone in a position to feel like they were number one, and then essentially, well, let's back up for whatever reason, but all indicators are pointing towards they sucked up to this person for assets, for status, or clout, or position. This person might have fed them their ego, or just for appearances, who knows, but boss daddy essentially got what they wanted from the situation and made off. Whoever this is in the girl fight energy, girl fight, boy fight, take it as it resonates, they feel like boss daddy robbed them emotionally, physically, energetically. Boss daddy left girl fight feeling as though they were robbed. They feel like they're at a total loss as a result of dealing with this person. And now they're ready to release mayhem. They're ready to give boss daddy a bad reputation. They're going to block or put barriers in whatever boss daddy's endeavors are. If they're trying to start a new business, if they're trying to, have another love interest, which I'm going to get it to with this queen rising, friends, whatever the case may be, this person, they're on a warpath. They're in their head over analyzing about how they thought they hit the jackpot, or how boss daddy thought he hit the they thought boss daddy thought they hit the jackpot, and just thought that they were going to take the spoils and go on to their next conquest, which is this queen rising here. And they notice that boss daddy has a thing for this queen rising, stepping into their power, coming into the spotlight. Could have possibly had a secret affair or were secret lovers with this person. But now, whoever this is, they're blowing up the whole scene for him. They say, oh no, you won't be going to the next person, not on my time. Yeah, love on the brain. I'm so tongue-tied. Yeah, this person, they can't even get it together because things aren't going the way they wanted it to. They tried to force a situation. So their toxicities, their addictions might be exposed as a result of whatever they did in the background to this girl fight energy. They stole from the wrong person, or they essentially hurt and energetically took, so to speak, from the wrong person. A dirty offer. So they're hurt. They took their dirty offer, feeding into the boss daddy. And they have proof. Oh, they have proof of these two. Ooh. Proof of these two in some form or fashion. This could be on their phone. Maybe they've seen it on their page. I'm definitely getting phone evidence of some type of this person either looking in on this person, having some secret affair relations with this person checking up on this person's page, showing photo proof that there is some type of secret fix or love affair, that this person can't or is addicted to some type of activity with this person or regarding this person, but again, take it as it resonates. Groupie. So the reputation that this person has here, boss daddy, is that they're a groupie. And that the girl fight is coming because this person has evidence of them essentially messing with the secret lover. I don't know if this person is aware of numero uno, but it's definitely getting messy here. Let me see if I can get one more for... Oh, okay, we have wolf in sheep's clothing. So this kind of piggybacks, like, okay, so this person, they definitely gave the impression that maybe they weren't as harmless as they actually were. This bad reputation groupie in wolf in sheep's clothing. What else do we have? Yeah, confirmation. This person has proof, verifiable facts that this person is definitely on one. They have more than photo evidence, proof. They burned this person, boss daddy. Boss daddy gave this person possibly an STD, and that's why they're on a warpath. They're not sure if this person has something to do with it, but this is the person that they see that they have the most energy for. Or maybe this is boss daddy's latest conquest. And during that time frame, they've come to this information that through their love for drugs, toxicities, and their addictions, that they caught a case giving this person the impression or whatever they did that make them think that they were more important to this person than they actually were, making off with whatever property, intellectual, emotional there was, leaving this person in a very, very crunchy place, feeling like they took a dirty offer. Discovering all amounts of proof, even physical bodies of evidence. I'm sorry for who's ever had to experience this. And at the bottom of the deck, we have just discovering that this person ain't worth the crap that toilet, flushes. And then right away, backtracking, regression, revisiting the past, going back. Yeah, so I think everybody's having a little buyer's remorse in this situation. They can't believe that they invested their or allow themselves to be wrapped up in someone who wants to have the BD energy, but they're slaves to their own levels of chaotic mayhem of their own. So they want this girl fight to kind of back off. Graduation date, lessons learned, light bulb moment. Yeah. Someone's finally gotten the idea. They finally understand now what needs to happen in order to get free or to move forward from the situation. And it's called adulting, being mature, responsible, checking this person or checking themselves, recognizing that this was indeed an offer that was dirty, and that this person, whoever Boss Daddy is, this could be Boss Daddy or Boss Mommy, but this person didn't have good intentions and tried to level up on someone else's assets, clout, status. This person is unmotivated, lazy. All right, so Sleeping Princess, cock blocking, inaccessible third party interferences, failed sexual attempts. All of these cards leads me to believe unmotivated, putting things off. Someone isn't interesting anymore in the bedroom department.
Oh my god. What?
Things aren't coming alive anymore because of overexposure to certain things. Or things aren't coming alive because a lot of, or something in particular went unchecked. And whoever girl fight energy is, they're no longer motivated, let's say. Possibly Boss Daddy only had this going for themselves. Boss Mommy, oh yikes. They only had a certain thing going for themselves, and now that's gone. And I guess in light of that, now this person is definitely in their head about what they feel like they lost, what they feel like was taken from them after unraveling all this information about this person. Yeah, they better be intimidated. Girl guy fight. They're ready to take this person's block off because they feel like they played with them. A horrible game at that. And it's only caused further delays, further trials and tribulations. It's made a longer road for this person. It seems like for both of them, but specifically Boss Daddy, Boss Mommy. I hope this message resonated or was helpful in any way. Thank you for watching. Again, blessed be.